On an island surrounded by dense forest stands a regenerative architecture project that offers a new way of living in harmony with nature. Designed by Tono Inc., the house is more than just a place to live, but an experiment in how humans can coexist with the environment without destroying it. Every element is designed with the surrounding ecosystem in mind, ensuring that the building's presence enriches nature, rather than sacrificing it. Sumu Yakushima was designed to blend into the natural landscape without disrupting its surroundings. The buildings are carefully placed so as not to obstruct natural water flow and vegetation growth, reflecting a holistic approach that considers the entire ecosystem, from the mountains to the sea. With a design that follows the contours of the land and materials that blend with nature, the house becomes part of the landscape, rather than simply standing on top of it. Local materials are integral to the house's sustainability concept. Yakushima cedar, Jasuji, is used for the main structure, while the walls are covered in fermented plaster made from a mixture of charcoal and effective bacteria, EM. This combination not only creates a healthy and comfortable space, but also naturally prevents the growth of mold and decay bacteria, making the house more durable and environmentally friendly. Sumu Yakushima relies entirely on renewable energy. Solar panels capture the abundant sunlight, while local firewood is used for heating and cooking, reflecting a commitment to self-sufficient living with a low carbon footprint. By adopting the principles of regenerative architecture, we can create living spaces that are not only sustainable but also enrich the ecosystems around us. Let us be inspired to design and build in a way that respects and nurtures nature, ensuring that our presence on this earth leaves a positive impact for future generations.